It's Mother Vessel Apology, good afternoon. I'm on berth 108. Information, I will lower my rescue boat without releasing the hooks and maneuvering only testing engines, and I will
You may proceed, do not touch water level and do not maneuver, over.
touching water level is not allowed, correct?
Why did you choose to have such a program and this open day?
Okay, understood. No touching water level. I will call you back when I'm done.
Ship and explore possible areas, because I see there's school children as well that are also here. So tell us what inspired this whole program?
Well, our department, Forestry, Fishery and Environment, for a number of years has been inviting people to come and have a look at our vessel and others too. Because our ship is unique in the world. Our ship goes to Antarctica once a year, also goes to Marion Island and Gough Island, where we've got research stations, and what they're doing is collecting information about climate change, about the oceans, etc. And we actually collect information that nobody else has. So we do something absolutely unique in South Africa. So we want everybody to know that. We want every young person, in particular in South Africa, to know that there's amazing things happening in our country that we can be very proud of. Because on this vessel that we're standing on today, this actually belongs to every single one of us, because it's all our collective ownership. So if we have our people feeling a sense of ownership of these amazing assets we have, they'll feel the connections. And also, as you were mentioning about careers, we've got a young population. We're very fortunate. We've got a young population. And if we teach our population well, if they get a good education in school, for example, then they can go into the marine sciences, they can become scientists, they can become researchers. There's so many opportunities in the ocean economy. Because we as a government, the most important thing for us, we need to grow our economy, we need to get people into jobs. And the ocean economy is one way to do it. So we want to make sure that everybody knows about it in the first instance, and then they'll be able to say, hey, you know, I actually like this environment, I see myself in it somewhere. So I feel like the ownership and belonging, because we all want to belong to something. We as a nation, we've come a very long way, we've still got a long way to go. But the fact of the matter is we've got such amazing things that we can leverage our economy. Because if we look, for example, at other African countries, we are very well endowed, and that we have then got the opportunity for our people to get more jobs, more education, bigger world to see. That's really what we want to do. We want to grip the imagination, specifically of our younger people, but also for everybody, to be proud of what we have, because we've got lots to be proud about.
Okay, you spoke about collecting data. So once you've collected the data, what do you do with it?
Well, the idea is to go and, if we say specifically we want to know, for example, how the oceans are changing because of climate change. So what we do is we have quite amazing equipment on the ship that we can actually send down to the depths and see what's happening to the ocean, etc. So we collect that information, and that information is then fed in internationally, because other people do other research, and there might be pieces of research that they don't have. So they might say, well, we don't know this particular thing, so we do it for them. And the information that we find is we tell the whole world to say, look, this is what we actually found. Like on our last voyage now, we discovered that the ocean current is actually starting to change. And I mean, it's been on for a long time, but then the speed of that change. So we're learning things that are informing the world about climate change, because we have to adapt and we have to mitigate. So that's the powerful thing, that we are doing stuff that nobody else has the capability of doing, or they don't actually have the capacity to do.
Okay, so you are South Africa, you are the whole world, you are the people that are doing this, the whole entire world.
There are others that also do it, but we have specifically, because we're in South Africa and we've got proximity to Antarctica, we have got the advantage of being in close proximity. And so therefore we are able to do a lot more than others can, because they've got to come from much further away.
No, thank you so much, Minister, for your time.
Thank you.